This super simple method will give you an easy passive income starting today. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can earn money legally by just sharing links. In order to do this, you need no previous experience, no audience, and no money whatsoever. That's right, it's absolutely free, and literally anyone can do it. This method is gonna earn you a passive income with every click you get. Okay, so first we're gonna find our interesting video or videos that we are going to share. For this, we're gonna go on YouTube, and on the left bar, scroll down to gaming, for example. You can choose any other topics you like, but in this video I'm gonna focus on the gaming videos. Okay, so here you can see the most trending videos on each game. Obviously, we are going to focus only on the most popular ones. PUBG would be one of those, so we're going to find an interesting video, and by interesting I mean you gotta have a good title and a good thumbnail. This is because these things will need to be interesting enough to make people click on them. Usually YouTubers already do this, so not gonna be such a problem, especially for the most popular videos. Okay, so after selecting the video, just right click on the title or on the thumbnail, or if you already click on the video, right click on it and just copy the link. Now we're going to make this link so that anyone that clicks on it will earn us money. For this, we're gonna go on this website, which I'm going to leave a link in the description, and register an account. It's free. After which, we're gonna shorten the link. It's very important to create the account first, otherwise you'll earn no money from this. After the account is made, just paste the link in this box and click on shrink. This transforms our YouTube link into a short link, and getting people to click on this short link will earn you money, because they will have to see ads before they are redirected to the original link, in our case the YouTube video, and you will be the one who gets a cut from it. Don't try to spam click your own links, because they see your IP and they know it's you every time, so it will only work one time on every IP for every link. Okay, so now we are going to share this link on Facebook groups dedicated for gaming. Just go on Facebook group tab, search for gaming, and join the most popular ones. Make sure they have at least a few thousand members, and then don't just spam your links around, or else you'll get banned from those groups pretty quickly. Try to make your post interesting. Engage with other members' posts so that admins will notice you as an active member and don't get suspicious. So just be an active member, build some trust around the community, and then post your links with some interesting description, like how is this guy so good, and is he cheating, or check this new update. The point is to make people curious enough about this to make them click your link. If you feel you got any value from this, hit the like button, I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel so you'll never miss a video, and I'll see you next time.